Good shot, Pat.
Yeah.
Got it all.
Nice job, buddy.
Thank you.
Very nice.
You're shooting right. We're shooting right tonight, baby.
All right.
First fish of the night. That's what I'm
In the rain. Right.
training. Yeah.
Hey, you realize we're 100% so far.
100%.
I haven't shot yet tonight.
Come on.
Got it. Woo! Good shot, buddy.
Nice carp. This is my big one.
That's a good one.
Want double stinger?
Yeah, hit him.
Zach, let him swim out. Hit him, Nick.
I can't. Arrows on me.
Got him. No, you got him.
We both did.
Nice double shaft, guys. That's look at his face. What is that?
A hook. Yeah.
Look at his head. It's shaped funny.
Yeah, it is. That's a weird looking.
Nice double shot, guys.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good shot, Pat. You on it tonight, man.
Nice.
That's a beast.
I need an arrow next.
Put an arrow in him. Oh my.
No? I need another arrow.
Yeah, we need another shaft in this one.
Yeah. Woohoo! You hit him? Oh, I don't think so.
Woo!
Oh, ow.
I'm trying. That's a big fish, man. You on it tonight, brother. Pat brought his game face.
I'm sorry, but take this Matthews out of my hand. Had to, Alan.
Look at that.
Ah! Look at that, baby. Nothing like it. Nothing like it.